I passed the exams. I passed the exams. I passed the exams. I passed the exams. Hey there, I am Nancy Shah. I am a trainer, public speaker, anchor, voiceover artist and founder of Speaker Circle. We started this initiative to help people improve their public speaking skills. We conduct our interventions online and you can also be part of it. All you need to do is fill up a Google form. You'll find the link in the description. Well, in today's video, I am going to talk about voice modulation. Your voice conveys your enthusiasm, energy, mood, excitement, as well as it links your audience with you. And there are many aspects of voice modulation and there are many ways you can improve it. So let's get started. समग्र देश में कोरोना वायरस की बीमारी फैल रही है और केसेस दिन ब दिन बढ़ते जा रहे हैं और समाज के लिए ये चिंता का विषय बन रहा है। गौर से देखिए इस बीमारी को। ये वही बीमारी है जिसने पिछले 1 साल से लोगों का जीना हराम कर दिया है। पूरे देश में नहीं, समग्र विश्व में आज कोरोना वायरस बहुत ही फैल रहा है। The first example was more monotonous. That's okay if you are a news anchor. But when you are going as a speaker, you need to ensure that you have a variation in your voice and it is not a monotonous one. What happens when you speak monotonously? People lose interest. You might get bored by listening to the news after just 15 minutes. But have you ever watched cricket commentary? Well, if you have observed, you would notice that the commentator and the bowler sync in the rhythm together to make it more beautiful. How they do that? As in when the bowler starts running, you will see the variation in the voice modulation of the commentator and the graph keeps moving and that makes it more interesting, and probably that's the reason why you don't get bored even if you listen it for 6 hours a day. This graph is almost similar to our cardiogram. And we all know what flat graph of our heart rate means. That's dead, right? In a similar manner, when you talk flat, it's monotonous and it seems really dull. So you need to have the similar variation in your voice modulation. The way you speak those words, the way you articulate them, the way you put stress on different words changes the meaning of the entire sentence. So you should be mindful on how you use voice modulation while you speak. Let me give you one example of this. I'm going to speak one sentence in different manner. I'm going to put stress on different words and you need to identify what is the meaning of it. Well, the sentence is, I want you to bake cake for me. This is a very simple sentence. Now let me say it in different manners. First one, I want you to bake cake for me. Second one, I want you to bake cake for me. Third one, I want you to bake the cake for me. The fourth one, I want you to bake cake for me. As you can see clearly, the meaning of the sentence changes completely when I put a stress on different words. And that's probably the reason why sometimes unintentionally we give a wrong message to the person by making mistake in putting stress on different words. So you should be careful for that. One more thing, you can't modulate the entire sentence. You need to look for keywords. What is the message that you want to pass on? What are the words that reflect that right message? And you choose those keywords and put a stress upon that, emphasis on that, and ensure that you modulate them in a proper manner to convey the suitable message. Why don't you try it on your own? Let me give you 3 exemplary sentences. You use it in different manner by changing the stress on different words and observe the meaning that changes with it. The first sentence, this book is not mine, it's yours. The second sentence, she bought a house in Mumbai. Third sentence, she asked me to do her homework. Well, I'm saying it in the simplest manner without any voice modulations. All you need to do is, you need to put stress on different words and then change it and then observe the change in the meaning. What are the different elements of voice modulation? Well, there are many, and we are going to create videos on that in our upcoming days, and you'll get updates over here. We are going to talk about pitch, pace, pause, power, and many more elements. In fact, we are also going to create videos on how you can use different exercises of breathing as well as some other voice modulation exercises to improve your voice. So next time when you go on stage, you should not have a monotonous voice. You should have a variation, and we are going to learn it together. Why don't you subscribe our YouTube channel to not to miss any updates like this on Speaker Circle page. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.